That's right, I don't shift it then.
Well, here we are at Clarrie's, 7th of August 1995. Just going to whiz the engine out to have a look at the clutch.
You've got to be joking. It's going to whiz the engine out.
I think we're on the 3rd hour.
Of the 4th day. Yeah, Clarrie's a record. Hour 3 and counting.
What are you doing now? Taking out the front suspension?
Yep. You guessed. That's it. Our side's done now, Clarrie. It's all down to your side now. But yeah, what about these 3 up for this engine plate? You've got to take that out because that goes through the wooden boards here.
You can't get the staff, can you?
You've got to take them out that go through that wooden board.
Are you
I'm afraid
it has settled down the front as
yeah,
do.
yeah.
Of course, look at the gap there.
Yeah.
I think you're
Oh,
wrong,
you're going to lever it out, are you? All right.
Well, I mean, those bolts don't go through the wooden
I
board.
know.
They only go through there, so they all come out together, won't
Oh,
it?
well,
So you think they come with you?
Yeah, our bolts was the other way about. And you got the long edge through, and you've only got the ordinary edge of the bolts. We had the nut sides and the thread sticking through, didn't we, John?
Yeah.
Well,
Yes, okay then, we're ready.
I can see the head of a bolt in there.
In come the graunchy bit at the end of it.
Unless the oil's soaked in. Nothing's happened. Whatever's happened? That little bit of
Fat.
well, yeah, it's gone just a little bit tighter.
Oh, I did kick the fire out. There's another one now.
It's coming out good.
Yeah, I know.
I can't graunch it out.
Once that long screwdriver.
We've got to jack it up to get that out.
Right, those bolts should come out now with another little function then.
Right.
Yeah, screwdriver.
Nice
Yeah.
one.
Yes?
Yeah.
No? Done it? Look at that, I think you can even wheel that lot right out the way now. Oh, it fell over. Well, look at it, you never got that.
Both wheels
It's turning a vertical corner.
Yeah. Morgans would be proud of this.
Look at that.
Look at that. They,
Come on, HFS, all is forgiven.
just how they limb theirs about.
Will it stand? Will it stand there?
Oh.
Just a bit iffy, isn't it?
Ah.
Now.
Oh, now, right.
No.
Well, hopefully.
Well, we might have to fiddle about with wires and that, but... Oh, will that go underneath? No, it won't, will it? Right. If we push the car back...
No,
We can't, because we're on blocks.
Oh, we're on block.
We've got no wheels.
we've got no wheels.
All right.
It needs a little bit
Makes
more
it difficult a little.
So we put the
Weight
jack
on there.
under here now, unhook that
on
and,
the back, isn't it?
and
It's on
put
the
this
back.
at the back.
So we can get something behind it, give it a bit of a, let's try a little
Smash
attempt,
them
shall
off
we?
now.
So you can have a little graunch here somewhere.
But it's still a very cute angle, isn't it?
Mind the wings. Well, I can let this down a little.
Once the jack
Oh, the
under,
jack.
under the
That's
jack
not
there,
gonna move,
doesn't it?
does it?
Because it's like hanging in there. It's not true.
It's partly out of the spines. Partly out. It's coming out. It's coming out all the way. It's out. All right. Now, pick him up a little bit. Just move forward.
Very dry,
we-
very dry.
Can we do something about this?
Well, we can let it down,
Lay it down.
Clarrie. Right, move the jack and
Lay
that
it
from
down
underneath
anywhere
it.
for a minute.
Clear the way
You can
underneath
rest
it.
on it, yeah? Can it?
Well, no.
Right, on the
just
ground,
let
it'd
it-
be better on the ground.
Right, one up, I'm going to go down.
Go on,
So
now,
mind the
okay,
fingers,
go
because
down.
it's a bit...
Go down, that's all right. Now we can undo
Do
that.
whatever we like with it.
Give us a bit of length there.
Yeah.
Yeah, they'll
Pull it right off now. You pull the drop shaft right out. I mean,
certainly looks a bit tight in there, doesn't it?
It's a stainless end, so it won't go rusty. At,
Not bent, is it, Clarrie, by any...
well, we put it up on V-blocks in a minute and have a look. I wouldn't think so. That can come out now.
Yeah, that's what I say. You come out now.
Oh, of course, we're up on
Look at that.
been with him. There's
Ah,
always a little bit of blood.
yeah, well, I got
The
some.
other way, well, talking about this coming down,
Like
you
the
know,
furnace, we'll cast one.
you know how that twist on that bellows,
Yeah.
Clarrie? Now why not, while you got it to this stage, square it up. Can't you spin it on your lathe?
That's on.
That was our trouble. See, it's tight in there.
Yeah. That's on. Yes, that's too tight. Could be the clutch trouble.
That's one minute now, look. That race, when we were fiddling about, we probably misaligned it a
Could
bit.
have done. Could have done.
But that's all right now. There's nothing wrong with that now. That's going in the ball then. So that can now go in there.
Do it.
Well, I know that's a pair. I think that's an earth wire that goes on that one. Oh no, that's the side ones, that's not the top ones, that's Banner.
How old is this clutch, Clarrie?
The top ones are
20 years,
Whitworth
isn't it?
grade.
Is it?
Been adapted.
When did you put the new clutch in, Clarrie?
One?
When was the last new clutch went in there?
Oh, not long ago, perhaps a year or two.
Oh, I thought it was longer than that.
No.
Oh, because it was when you had to come back rather ignominiously from the AGM, wasn't it?
I don't think I put a new clutch in then, did
Oh
I?
no, it was flywheel that was, wasn't it?
The flywheel bolts were loose.
That's
They
right.
weren't loose, but the flywheel was moving on the bolts. The bolts weren't a good fit in the holes.
Clarrie's ready, definitely.
I don't know. He may have done.
Oh yeah, it's a great view, Go. I can see your bags.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. Is he smiling?
He was, yeah.
What's the approval rate, Go?
Well, it wants to be dry, I don't want oily. Turn it the other way, and I'll stand on it. Are you strong enough to stand on it?
No, I just wanted to see how they went, as long as none of them went looser than the others. When they go, all of a sudden they just go quick,
I
don't
know
they?
they do.
And they used to.
That's what I was afraid that it might
Yeah,
happen to me.
that's when you said that. I thought, well, that's what it is, and it's gone dead.
I didn't want a chance going 100 miles and then suddenly it collapsed on me. I've seen them go before. Doesn't seem to be anything wrong with it, does it?
No.
I'll wash my hands and put it back.
But you'll
Why
come
do you
over
have
the
to be careful?
Brower Hill and find an old house on the left.
Oh, damn it.
That's all right, we'll let it down here in a minute. I'll let it down, go. Let's lay it down again.
Right.
Right, now pick it up again. See if we pick the back up.
Right.
Right, put it back. That's very level now.
Right, and again.
That's enough, we want to flip.
Forward.
No, push the car forward now.
You can't.
We can't.
Because it's got
Got
no,
no wheels,
on
nothing.
it.
Here.
Oh,
All right.
oh, that's going to be awkward, John. We're going to have a job to do that. We've got to come forward a bit with the car. Yeah. Because see, it'll keep pulling
Shut up
itself
with there,
out.
shut up with there.
Yeah, nothing. We.
Could you put a jack under the front now?
Go on, hold that.
All right, well, let's get the jack first and then I'll do it again. Put weight off this now. We'll let it come down.
Keep pushing that in.
Right.
Now let's put this up a bit.
Keep that there just for safety's sake.
Oh yeah, keep it the safety.
Want another block of wood?
What come?
Want another block of wood to lay under there, so in case it pushes off the jack. Oh, it ain't got the back part,
Oh,
has
I got. Yeah.
it?
Do we need a push?